Welcome guys to my YouTube channel, Crypto Miners Device. Well, you can mine on Android device using your Cryptotab browser. If you want to mine with Cryptotab browser and you want to mine on your Android device, well, this is the right video for you to watch. And guys, if you want to learn this particular trick, you watch till the end of the video. So first you click the Cryptotab browser. And guys, here's my mining pool. I'm going to be dropping a link below. If you don't have a Cryptotab browser, I'm going to be dropping a link below in the description box where you click to download the Cryptotab browser and join my mining pool. Well guys, you want to learn how to mine on your Android device. You don't have a desktop or a PC to mine, and you want to mine on your Android phone. Well guys, this is the right video for you to watch. All you just have to do in order for you to mine on your Android device, guys, as is the state right now, all you just have to do is leave it in this state. Do not touch it, just leave it in this particular state. Let the server, the vending mining always move. Guys, if you say you want to create another tab in your phone, or you want to leave this browser, guys, it won't mine. That is just the problem. It won't mine. It's not like your PC whereby you create another new tab and you will still be mining. But guys, all you just have to do in mining on Android is you just leave it in this state. If you can dedicate your time in doing it, that's just it. Dedicate your time, keep it in this state, in this normal tab it is in. Don't create any other tab, because if you create another tab, it won't focus on mining only. It will also focus in other tabs you created. So you want to mine faster and you want to create only one tab, which is this particular state you are in right now. That's just all you have to do. Keep it in this state and I assure you you're going to mine faster. Here guys, this is my result ever since I started. I've used my Android device to end up to this amount, 0.000150 BTC with my Android device. So guys, all you have to do is just stay in this particular position. And guys, if you like this video, guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and give me a thumbs up. And if you do this and it works for you, you can come back and comment on this video that it really works, so that other people can do exactly what you did. Well guys, this is my 27. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Peace out.